Bonjour à tous. Today is a video from Beirut. Hello everyone. So I'm on the balcony of the hotel. I'm going to show you a few stretching exercises and sports exercises I do when I'm in a hotel. So let's get started. So first, I always do my exercises for women. So you go like this. These are the ones I would do. Put your hips there and just do it like 10, 20 when you feel it burning. Then second leg too. It's also really good for balance. And then on the side, help your balance. Really try to keep your body straight in one line and just move this leg. Same on the other side. And then for the abs, I just go try and move only the top. The top of your body. And then you can do a few squats. And that's it for the exercises. And then I'm going to show you some stretching exercises. Sorry for the table, but I really don't know where to put it. I can't move it. So here are some stretching exercises. Simple one. You just go down and let your hips, and then really put your body down, down, down. Let go of everything and try to put your butt up as high as you can. Then you can pull your legs and try and pull your back with your shoulders down. And then release. Then one that's really good is this one. You bring this leg, you bring your hips forward, so it has to pull right here. I don't know if you can see it, right here. It must pull here, like that. Then you can do that, and same on the other leg. Make it pull right here, and right here, and then generally when you're stressed it can hurt, so here the shoulders, so you're just gonna go like that and pull your shoulder down and your head up. Same on the other side, and like that with the elbow right here. And you can stretch your arms a bit, and obviously every day I meditate. This helps a lot. Have a beautiful day. See you soon. Bonjour à tous. Today is a video from Beirut. Hello everyone. So I'm on the balcony of the hotel. I'm going to